Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome. I am here this week with a Plan With Me in my Wonton in a Million insert. This is an A5 wide. I have not planned in this for a while, and I thought it would be really neat to come through and use all my stuff. I'm on hashtag shop my stash. So let me show you the kit I've selected. This is from it's called Boho Chic, and it's from Chic Blossom Prints. And so it has it's highlighted or accented with gold foil. So those are the full box stickers. We have habit trackers, half boxes, little things, textured washi. And then we have a weekend banner, flags, bow checklist. We have more, what do you call these? Appointment boxes, a weekly habit tracker, icons. And then last but not least, we have our date covers, bottom washi, and more textured stickers up in this area. I think that's what this is. Well, this one isn't. This one says summer, so that's probably goes down here. So I wanted to use that, and of course I am using it came with these little scrolls, so I'm going to use those. The date covers are from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and then the cover, the monthly cover, is from LC Sticker Shop. So I am going to speed up the top portion, which is me putting down the date covers. And we're gonna do this bottom washi down here on the bottom. So I definitely want to do this part. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to come right here, and we're going to put this down. Okay. Now, we'll put that there, and then we're also going to get this piece, and we're going to put this here, and then we grab this piece and we put this here. Okay, now I'm going to take my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to slice this off.
So for this part, I decided to speed it up, and I wanted to just try out using this Simply Gilded washi. It's gold and has the little leaves in it. It came from the Luxe subscription box, but I was concerned because it was slightly pink. So here I'm going down and trying to find another Simply Gilded washi, and I went with this kind of evergreen. It's super dark green. It's probably reading a little bit black on the video, and I'm putting that down across the bottom rows just so I can get it as even as possible. I found it difficult doing this spread. I'm really rusty. Like, I haven't done it in the longest time. So just remembering how the insert works. It's a little bit different from the Erin Condren, which is what I was used to planning in. But I'm making it work. Here you see me laying down the washi tape straight across, trying to get it as even as possible, and just cutting out the pieces in the middle. There I put in the 2 full boxes of decor, so it was a double box, so I put it there in the middle, and then I'm just spacing everything out. Now here shortly you will notice that I'm having to go back and readjust everything because the spacing was just a little bit off. So I think I started to do it here in terms of the middle row to make sure everything fit. If you are going to use inserts, or if this is your first, or let me not say if it's your first time using sticker kits, I find that I must have undo on deck, because especially when you're trying to get the alignment just right, it will definitely help you. It makes it more seamless to pick it up. And so here I decided to move the date covers just a little further down, and again another realignment is going on right now on that second row, but I finally get it all together, as you can see here. Now I've removed the original Simply Gilded from the top rows. I removed those because the pink was really throwing it out. And even though if it was slightly pink, it was still kind of very pink. So here I'm just straightening everything back out, readjusting the date covers. So, and now I'm working on the sidebar. So as you can see there, I'm using that Simply Gilded 5mm washi, and I'm just adding the pieces in the kit, the habit tracker, the single habit tracker. I think I used both of the habit trackers, and then some of the patterned washi. By the end of the video, you'll notice that I actually moved the sidebar just a little further down because I did want to add that gold August up top. Now here I'm just putting down everything that I did for the week. That sticker that I just placed down, the little gold quarter box, is from Planning City Stickers. So she has amazing sales, so make sure you check her out. And I'm just writing my work hours there. And then I put a bill due sticker there. I've had to pay the water bill, need the water, and I indicate that there. So this is kind of like a memory keeping planner in stickers, not with actual pictures, but I like it because I feel like it makes me more versatile as a planner because I can do white space and no white space. There on the bottom right hand side, you see that I put that weekend sticker down. I tore that sticker, had to do a little sticker surgery, but it didn't look bad. And now I'm just pulling out gold icons and script stickers. 98% of them are from Planning City. So I'm just using the elements from the kit and really trying to make the spread look as full as possible. But I thought it was very important to use this kit as this will be the last week of summer kits and summer stickers that I'm using. So when February hits, I'll be full-fledged in fall mode. So I'm really enjoying this tropical spread. It is so cute. And again, this is Chic Blossom prints. And yeah, so I'm just putting things down. And what I like to do is if I use an icon sticker, I like to alternate the sides that the icons are on. So there on the bottom, I've written in the 7:30 midweek meeting that I had. And because it's a religious meeting, I put that little book icon that looks kind of like a Bible there on the spread. So I'm going in and just writing everything. And I don't know if you noticed, but I actually put the dates on incorrectly. I went Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. But I didn't realize it until the very end of the spread, so I had to go back and fix those things. And as a result, here I am fixing them. I had to also move the things that I did for the day because I thought that was Friday. Like my husband's payday is on Friday, so I had it on Thursday. So just move those things over. Even the times that I worked late on Friday because I had to travel to another city to visit a location. And then I actually forgot I had these gorgeous half boxes. So you'll see that on this side of the spread, I'm incorporating more of those half boxes and really trying to put in all the pops of gold. And I know foil doesn't film well, but let me assure you, this spread is full of gold. It is blinging of gold. So there I'm going to put my plans down on Saturday, indicating where I ordered groceries. I picked a friend up for work, my planning, my laundry. On Sunday, I had a religious meeting at 10. Our convention was also this weekend, so watch that via Zoom. And then my daughter and her husband visited is the last item that I put down here. So here I am just adjusting that sidebar and straightening things up. I love this spread.
All right, so that completes this plan with me. And it was kind of a rewind or memory plan with me for the week of August 19th through the 21st. All those pots of gold, most of those stickers came from Planning City. And the sticker kit came from Chic Blossom Prints. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If so, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Joe Bela.
Shining, shining like a diamond.